just laying bricks, and I worked the land for spades.